3. Write the number names for the following. Representation. Four. Write the numerals. Representation. 5. Write another 4 numbers observing the pattern. Reasoning proof. 6. Counting by hundreds, write the next 4 numerals. Reasoning proof. 7. Write all the numbers between. Reasoning proof. 8. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. 9. Representing a 4-digit number on the abacus. Example. How to represent 3452 on the abacus. Procedure. The given number is 3452. Step 1. The digit in the thousands place is 3. So, we put 3 beads in the thousands column of the abacus. Step 2. The digit in the hundreds place is 4. So, we put 4 beads in the hundreds column. Step 3. The digit in the tens place is 5. So, we put 5 beads in the tens column. Step 4. The digit in the ones place is 2. So, we put 2 beads in the ones column. Therefore, the number represented on the abacus is 3452. Do these two. 1. Draw the abacus in your notebook and represent the following numerals. Representation. 2. Write the numeral and the number name by seeing the abacus. Representation. 2. Place value. Every digit has 2 values in a number. One is face value and the other is place value. 1. Face value. The actual value of the digit is called the face value. 2. Place value. The value depending on the place of the digit is called the place value. Example 568. This is a 3-digit number. 1. Digit 8 is in one's place. Its place value is 8. Its face value is also 8. 2. Digit 6 is in the tens place. Its place value is 6 tenths or 60. Its face value is 6 only. 3. Digit 5 is in hundreds place. Its place value is 500 or 500. Its face value is 5 only. The place value and face value of the digit 0 is 0. Place value chart of 4-digit numbers. Place: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Value: 1000, 100, 10, 1. Example: arrange 2416 in the place value chart by writing their place values and also find the sum. Solution: place, digit, thousands, 2, hundreds, 4, tens, 1, ones, 6. Place value, sum: 2000s plus 400s plus 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 2416. Expanded form: the sum of the place values of all the digits is called the expanded form of the numeral. Do these 3. 1. Make a place value chart and arrange the following numbers. Representation: Two. State the face value of the underlined digit. Communication: 3. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Communication: 4. Expand the following. Representation: Five. Write in the shortened form. Representation: 6. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. Seven. Write the place values and the face values of the encircled digits. Communication: Comparison of numbers and order. You have learnt already how to compare 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. The same method is to be followed in comparing 4-digit numbers also. When we compare two numbers, we use the symbols is greater than, is less than, is equal to. Let us recall 1. 58 is greater than 9. 2. 26 is less than 184. 3. 281 is greater than 46. We conclude that Rule 1. A numeral containing more digits is greater. Rule 2. If two numerals contain the same number of digits, the numeral having greater digit at the leftmost place will be greater. Example: 5824 is greater than 2959. Rule 3. If the leftmost digits are also same, we go to the next digit from left and compare. Example: 6924 is greater than 6821. Again, if the second digits from the left are also same, then we go on to the next digit and so on. Order relation. Ascending order and descending order. While arranging the numbers, we use two ways by comparing. 1. Ascending order. Arranging the numbers from the lowest number to the greatest number. 2. Descending order. Arranging the numbers from greatest number to the lowest number.